Hi, I am Somil. I'm here to take you through the website. This is our first landing page. We click on login or get started. We can see that there are four different portals here. We didn't just try to create a website, we tried to create an ecosystem where everything works as expected. We can head on to school/SIV portal, use our login credentials. We can first see a demo we can go through or choose to skip. Then we have our dashboard. The dashboard shows current output, CO2 saved, monthly credits, tomorrow's forecast. You can also see the system status, health score, capacity used, and a graph showing energy production for today, weekly, or monthly. Next, we have the 7-day weather forecast. We can move on to the analytics page where insights about prediction and generation can be visible. You can check yield trends, panel performance for each panel, and optimization tips which are based on real time data. Then we have the health or maintenance page, which shows the system overview. The system overview has details about each panel regarding its temperature and generation. We can also check recent anomalies. And then we have the maintenance page where you can create a new ticket. You can select a category, select a priority. We'll put test here, upload documents or images if needed, and submit. Once submitted, this heads over to the technician page, which we will be seeing later in the video. We have billing or credits here, where energy credits can be viewed, total balance can be checked, share credits, redeem credits are two options, and recent transactions are visible here. Then we have the billing and payment section where bills can be paid, viewed, and a full report can be downloaded. Now we have the community page where details about the community are visible, so you can check the overview of your region. You can check the regional distribution, member type distribution, and top performers of your region. You can check the resource center, which has a initialization guide, sharing practices, understanding energy efficiency, and troubleshooting. We will try to include languages including Indonesian so that native speakers won't have a trouble to understand the solar panels. We can also run a quick diagnostics test here. Then we have maintenance, which shows a small maintenance guide and a recycling guide. Recycling guide is important because we don't want all the e-waste to be generated, which will harm the nature more. We want to create a system where everything is taken care of. So we plan to collaborate with local e-waste managers. Next, we can head over to settings where everything can be customized, including appearance, language, notifications, and security. Before logging out, I would like to show you an option that we have created. This is an AI chatbot which answers questions for you. This is customized for this particular website. Now we log out and head over to the government official portal. We skip the demo. The first thing here is the dashboard. This dashboard is for government officials and is related to their own district, which they are assigned. They can see their district map where every detail of the installation is mentioned. They can check analytics, including monthly energy generation, site performance ranking, performance summaries, and installation distribution. They can check alerts, maintenance, reports, and management. Management is regarding technician management and alert thresholds. Next is the community page, which is same as the previous community page, just for the government official. Then we have application, where the government official can check the applications and choose to approve or reject them based on the data submitted here. Next, we have the user registry, where registered users are visible. The details of the users can be edited, managed, or their accounts can be deactivated from here. This can also be done for the technicians. Next, we have the budget and finance, which shows graphical information about spending trends, category breakdowns, installation costs, ROI, and savings. All of this can be exported or other data can be imported to be shown and displayed here. Then we have the admin panel where regional overview, performance trends, verification queue, and regional alerts are visible. Other than that, technician management is an option here where technicians can be managed and viewed. The technician information can also be viewed here, that is rating, active jobs, total jobs, etc. Then we have the settings page, which remains the same. We log out of this and move on to the next portal, which is the technician or admin portal. We log in using our credentials. Skip the demo. As we can see, this portal is different than the previous ones. This is because this one is built for efficiency so that technicians can handle tasks efficiently. They can check their active jobs, overdue tasks, average response time, and resolution rate. They can also check their daily tasks here and accept jobs. They can manage inventory, schedule, performance, or their own team from this page. Then we have the alerts page where current alerts are visible in detail. They can accept the jobs and start working. We have tried to create a parity system here so that no two technicians get the same job at one time. So if two people click accept job at the same time, it won't be an issue. Then we have system detail. This is an important section. Imagine you have some problem with your solar panel and you bring in a technician. Now, you can share a OTP with the technician on site and they can view your live data, historical data, diagnostics, and generate a field report based on that. This data is visible to them only for a limited period of time so that they can diagnose your system efficiently and quickly. The field report helps so that if next time some other technician joins, he doesn't have to go through the process all over again and can read this. Then we have the support tickets. This is the one which I was talking about. The ticket which is generated from the previous portal can be viewed here and technicians can chat here because some problems can be solved online and don't need an on-site consultation. This helps in efficiency and to save time. Next, we have the technician portal where technician can view their performance indicators and different metrics and also their customer rating. Based on all this, they are assigned a grade. They can also check their job history here. Now we log out and check our final portal. This portal is for youth leaders and communities. This is specifically for starting fundraisers, green bonds, and to request mini grids. Logging in, we skip the demo. Now, everything is here, but initially, only fundraisers, green bonds, and mini grid requests would be visible. A youth leader or a community member can raise fundraisers or green bonds. They can view their details, edit, or create new ones from this page. Same for green bonds here. Once the green bond or a fundraiser is complete, they can put up a mini grid request from this page. This is then approved by the government official, and once approved, it is installed. After the installation, all these pages would be visible, including the dashboard, solar details, leaderboard, resources, maintenance, and settings. The dashboard is the usual dashboard with options like start fundraiser, issue green bond, and request mini grid. The solar details are visible here. The leaderboard is here. All of this is similar to the previous portal with a slight difference that this is made for a community rather than a particular school or SME. Then we have the resources here, including guides and tutorials, templates, reports. This is the maintenance page, which works the same. And then we have settings. We log out. This was the website. We tried to create something which will work for everyone and in every case for West Java. We are open to suggestions. Thank you for watching.